Hey everyone, it's Anthony, and today I will show you how to teach algebra in kindergarten. In kindergarten, students will learn how to solve equations such as 2 plus 3 equals question mark. What you usually see in kindergarten is that they use a question mark or an empty box to represent an unknown number. And as you know, in kindergarten, students will add and subtract with numbers from 1 to 20. So students will do these simple equations trying to find an unknown number. What I propose is that instead of question marks and empty boxes, we use the letter X. And we can spend a whole day devoted to the letter X, teaching students that X represents a mystery number, with a whole day full of activities related to the letter X. Students will definitely understand this concept. And once students understand this concept, we can connect that to solving simple equations. For example, you give a student this equation, and you ask them, what is 2 plus 3? Is 2 plus 3 5? Is it 2? Or is it 3? Which one is it? And the student would tell you that 2 plus 3 is 5. So then, okay, 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then you ask the student, okay, 2 plus 3 equals 5. What is x? X equals, and you show the student, x is a mystery number. X is equal to 2 plus 3. And what is 2 plus 3? 5. So what is x? Is x 2? Is it 3? Or is it 5? 2 plus 3 equals x. What does 2 plus 3 equal? 5. So x is 5. And that's how you teach algebra in kindergarten. Now let's try a slightly more advanced problem. Let's change the place of the x. So, what if the x is in the middle of the equation? 2 plus x equals 5. This is another simple algebraic equation. And then you ask the student, 2 plus what is 5? 2 plus what is 5? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 5? Does 2 plus 2 equals 5? No. Does 2 plus 5 equal 5? No. Does 2 plus 3 equals 5? Yes. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. So what is x? X equals 2 plus x equals 5. X is a number that when you do 2 plus this number, you get 5. 2 plus what is 5? 2 plus 3 is 5. So x equals 3. When you think of the letter x, think what? X equals what number? That is what x means. What number? So 2 plus what number equals 5? 3. So x is 3. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.